Hello, I'm Simon from CareCo and I'm going to show you how to assemble the proLite Evisu Powerchair. As you can see, I've taken all the components out from the packaging and placed that to one side. In front of me, I have the Evisu itself, the cushion, seat belt, the joystick, battery pack and its charger. To start with the Evisu Powerchair itself, I've taken it out of the packaging and I laid the packaging down as so that when I was pulling the Evisu out, it came out this way. That just makes it a lot easier than trying to lift the Evisu out from the packaging and away, which can put extra strain on yourself. So please do bear that in mind. Before we unfold the Powerchair, it is worth ensuring that the levers at the back, the drive levers, are actually in drive mode. So just check by pulling backwards on both of the red levers. To unfold the Evisu, we can now stand it upright. And as you can see, the Evisu is resting on the rear rests at the base. To unfold, simply put one hand on the backrest and with your other hand, push forwards and down on the seat base. With the Evisu unfolded, we now place the armrest down and then we ensure that we lock these arms in position by rotating this red locking lever on both sides. This prevents the armrest from lifting in use. The seat cushion is held in position with two pieces of Velcro. However, you'll see that the seat cushion is tapered towards the front and has a zip at the back in order to remove the cushion and place the outer cover into the wash if needed. To place into position, align the wedge section at the front, the zip at the back, place onto the seat and simply firm down with your hands. The joystick can be fitted to either the left or the right hand side. If you're going to fit it to the left hand side, the cabling will just need to be rerouted to the other side. In this instance, for the proLite Evisu, I'm going to fit it to the right hand side. The joystick is located within the arm itself. We place it into the hole on the end, set at a position and retain with the thumb wheel underneath. We then need to secure the cabling, and on the cable there is a white arrow on either side. Make sure that these are in alignment and then placed together. To secure, we need to tighten the little silver thumb wheel, and then this prevents the cable from becoming undone. To install the battery, we place it underneath the Evisu Powerchair onto the battery bracket. Simply place onto, and as you slide the battery in and it reaches the end of its travel, you'll hear an audible click. For added safety and security, the Evisu is supplied with a seat belt. If required, this can be placed around the framework as so, up and through, on both sides, and once in position, can be adjusted for the individual. Before we use the Evisu, we need to ensure that we fully charge the lithium battery. This is done by either charging the battery off board, or we can place the charger into the joystick whilst the battery is actually located on the Evisu itself. To do this, you may want to lift up the armrest, which you need to release the button on the side, and then place into the joystick itself. There is a little cover, and then place in as so. With the Evisu now fully assembled and the battery fully charged, it's ready for use. Please do ensure that the drive motors are in the drive mode, and then once you're in the Powerchair, you can then turn the power on, and once the display comes on, it's ready to be used. In order to fold the Evisu, we need to ensure first of all that we lift the armrests up. Simply release on both sides the red catches and lift the arms up and towards you. There is now a red lever at the back that we press down, and then we will push on the backrest to fold the Evisu down. The Evisu can now be placed into the back of the car, or we can lift it for storage.